Okay, so we're going to talk about posts versus pages. And so right here I'm on pages. Well, I added a new page, so you just go to pages and then click add new. So if we're going to use a page, we would use a page for something such as a contact us page, or if we wanted to do a specific landing page, or if we wanted to create legal pages. Mainly what we're going to use pages for. Those pages are static, which means they don't really change. Now, on the other hand, if you're talking about a post changes. A post is pretty much where your content is going to be on. So when you're writing a post, a new blog post, you're going to use post instead of a page. Now everything is considered a web page. So a post and a page aren't going to look a whole lot different, except for the fact that a post is going to be updated more often because you're going to be constantly creating new posts. So for example, if we created a new post, come over here and click add new. I'm going to go some of the features. So you can, in posts, you can categorize posts. You cannot categorize pages. Posts can be in order of like date when they were created, so they can be put in that kind of order. You can put tags with posts and post attributes. These are all things that you can't do with pages. So that's one of the biggest differences. But if we really simplified it, a post is attached with your content, and pages are pretty much static. If you want to, for a certain conversion, or you want to do something specific like a landing page or a contact us page or legal pages, is mainly what you'll be using pages for. And pages are normally something you set up like one time with your website. You set up a page. Then after that, once your website is up, you're normally going to be creating posts from then on. So pages are kind of like the initial groundwork, and then from there you're going to create posts. But obviously, if you need to create more pages, then you're free to do that, especially if you want to create like a webinar landing page or just a landing page for an opt-in form, or if you're doing a specific giveaway, maybe you're doing a book giveaway, a free ebook, whatever it might be, you can create a landing page for that specific reason. So we're going to be going through all that stuff, like I said, and you'll get more understanding of it. So right now, like I said, our site is pretty empty. We don't have any content or anything right here. So what we need to do is we need to start getting content and things on the site. That way we can really edit it. But before we do that, we're going to start the next video. We're going to talk about creating a menu. That way you can have some organization to your site and kind of have an idea of how you want your site to be laid out. So next video, we're going to talk about navigation and menus.